So here is park, Polish park.
Oh, what is that?
This is Kazimierz Pulaski.
Look,
Wow.
1747 to...
This is some by old tree.
Why he's here?
Pulaski. Here's like sitting area. There are the two bears. I assume bears were here before. Here we have some sitting area cover. Before was like a cafe. They just took it off. Yeah. Yeah.
Last time
Like look. Birds are singing. Very clean.
Here no matter what.
Birds. And here's some Polish rider. I think it's Juliusz Słowacki.
Right hand.
Yeah, you the eagle. Yeah, and then the eagle, huh? Same. And here is palm, beautiful palm. See, here is little, already grown. You want a bird? Here is another nice. Here is big football fields. Kids were playing before football here. This is what in Polish we call polana. It's like on the middle of the forest. A place with grass.
I know.
It's not kiosk, it's have a name in English for this.
Kiosk?
No. Here is the birch tree. One, another one. Go. Yeah. Hugging birch trees. And here is the river. Birds are singing. Yeah, that's how it looks like park in Poland. We're sitting on a little bench. Now, where?
In the park.
So we sit on this bench across this postament. Here is nice. Wildflowers. They love wildflowers here, everywhere. This is Wojciech Biechoński, mayor of Gorlice city in 1887 to 1902. He created the park. Yeah, he created the park, creator of this park. Here are bike trails. Here little girl is ice skating. I mean roller skating.
This is the secret.
Here's somebody running.
Nothing at all.
Beautiful. Here on the kind of bridges, people put locks, and I don't know why. Look at here, locks. We were in Zakopane, it was the same story. There was Polish park in Gorlice.
There's no more river. Oh, you see?
And here is for kids, place where kids can play. Here is park gallery.